Hey guys, so I realized after editing this entire video that I never showed you the products up close that I had mentioned in the video. So the product you're going to see me use to clean my kitchen cabinets is this Jaws Just Add Water System Kitchen Cleaner and Degreaser. And you buy the bottles once, and then from then on you buy the refills, which are teeny tiny. And like the product says, you just add water. So I love that you only have to buy the actual bottle once, and then in the future you buy the refills. They come in 2 packs. I do have a coupon code down below. I think it's 15% off. They have really reasonable shipping and great prices overall, so I highly recommend this. I love it. This is my third bottle, or third refill, I should say, that I'm on. I've also been using this Jaws, same company, same concept, granite cleaner. Again, the refill just looks like that. You just pop the refill through the straw part and add water, and it's just really, really good and effective. And then the other product I mentioned in this video is the 7th generation granite and stone cleaner. This one I got from Grove Collaborative. I do have a referral link down below. If you're a first-time customer, you'll get a 5-piece gift set, and you'll also get your own referral code to share with your friends and family. And I actually used this on my marble backsplash, just a damp cloth, and I sprayed this on, and it really shined it up and just made it look a lot nicer. So I can highly recommend this as well. And of course you could also use it on your granite. I do have another 7th generation granite cleaner that I was using prior, but it was just for granite and not for stone as well, and that one is really good also. The only pet peeve on that other one is the bottle is smaller and this bottle is much larger. So yeah, I thought I would mention these quickly because I know I'll get questions if I don't, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am doing a quick kitchen clean with me today. It is a Friday morning, and Fridays are my day off of work. I work Monday through Thursday outside the home. So Fridays, I'm all about catching up. I usually do a few loads of laundry and just make sure my house is in general kind of up to shape so that the weekend is a little bit easier for me for cleaning. And I decided today I needed to clean my kitchen cabinets. I try to do them once a month, but the past month has been crazy with going back to work. So they are definitely due. So I'm going to show you how I clean them. It's really easy. I find that it's a lot easier to maintain the white cabinets than I originally thought. So I am just clearing out my sink and loading up any dishes that need to go in the dishwasher and hand washing anything that needs to be hand washed. I will say I do keep my kitchen counters pretty clear. That's something that's very important to me, and I stay on it every single day. So before I go to bed, I make sure there's nothing on the counter that doesn't need to be. Like if there's piles of things that are accumulating, I go ahead and put them away, because one thing for me, I like to wake up in the morning and have a clean kitchen counter to work with. So right now I am just, like I said, finishing up with anything in the sink, kind of rinsing out the sink and getting ready to clean up my cabinets. So I'm using that Jaws cleaner. This is the kitchen degreaser cleaner that I showed you in the beginning. I find it works really well just to get the cabinets clean, and any grease or residue or anything that drips or splatters onto them, it comes off really well. I just use a damp washcloth and I wring it out and rinse it out every, 3 or 4 cabinets just to keep the rag clean and sanitized. And I just try to do a really thorough job, and it usually takes me about 45 minutes start to finish if I'm diligent about cleaning the cabinets and not getting distracted in between. Grady is actually off school today. It is Good Friday, and he is starting his spring break today. So he was actually perfectly occupied at this moment playing in his room, so I knew I had an opportunity to get this done. We're actually going on a trip on Monday, so I want to make sure my house is extra clean going into the weekend, because we fly out Monday morning, the day after Easter, and I want to be able to come home after vacation to a semi-decently cleaned home. The cabinets on this side of the kitchen tend to get much dirtier than the other side because of all the cooking that goes on over here, especially the next set that I'm about to clean above the microwave. They get really grimy and greasy, so this is another reason why I just have to keep up with the cleaning at least once a month. Today I'm using this cordless vacuum that I got from Amazon last year. I really like it. It's very lightweight and works really well. It actually pivots really well, so it can get under cabinets and baseboards and appliances, and it's rechargeable, which is really nice. We also have a Dyson vacuum that we've had for about 6 years now that works perfectly as well. But for quick little jobs like this, I always reach for this smaller one. I've been using the Bona hardwood mop for about 5.5 years now. This is the same mop I had in my old house in South Carolina. It works really well. I buy the large refill to refill the sprayer part, and my recommendation would be to buy an extra pad so you can interchange the pads. If one is dirty, you can throw the other one right in the wash. I hope you guys enjoyed this random kitchen clean with me. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.